Hey, let's go. Who knew that honey could come in so many different varieties? Well, the folks over at Seola Honey, they have a different flavor for every season of the year, and I can't wait to put my sweet tooth to the test. Owner Brad Jones takes his bees to different regions around the state, giving his honey unique flavor profiles.
Year to year, it's going to vary just depending on, how much moisture you have, what the temperatures are. It's like wine because you will have a variance in flavor too. So we'll start with the lighter one.
The lighter one.
This honey was gathered in 2021 from Tukwila.
It's not as sweet as I thought it was going to be. I can imagine like a big field, like when I taste this.
It's got a little bit of a floral hint to it,
Now for the darker of the two, flavored from the pollen of the Cascade fireweed plant.
Ooh, that's what I'm expecting.
That's big, yeah.
It's rich. Oh man, I'm gonna take some out and see what the people around here have to say.
Let's start with the lighter honey.
It's gonna be messy.
Yeah, there you go.
That's really good.
It's like oranges.
Kind of like a familiar, like, undertone taste to it.
It's kind of like you can taste the actual flowers on it.
And now for the fireweed honey.
So much darker.
I taste it right away. Like,
Yeah.
it's much sweeter.
That one's like a little more tangy.
Dark and woody and like light and citrusy.
They both taste like honey, right?
I like that one.
You like that one
one's-
best?
I mean, I really do like the fireweed one though.
Like, this one I would like to savor and keep around.
Yeah.
And I feel like I could just eat spoonfuls of it by itself.
That's why they're small jars.